Want to get Uber Eats free delivery promo code 2026? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily get the promo code for Uber Eats. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser. Once you're in this page, in the address bar search for Uber Eats promo code. You will be able to see tons of different sites. You can move into any one of it. Let me move into the second one, Coupon Follow. It will land you on the official page of promo codes. Now you need to search for free delivery offer. Here you can see 10% off and free delivery. So all you gotta do is click on it. The code will be not shown to you. All you can do is continue to this offer. Once you click on this option, it will open up your Uber Eats. And while paying the amount, you will get the 10% off and also the delivery will be free. But make sure that the promo code is working and valid. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.